Sit comfortably. Buddha said we should do Vipassana with the legs crossed like Zen, but this is optional. Sayadaw Pandita, a master of Vipassana, tells us that good posture improves focus. I like to use Gyan Mudra. Let your fingers extend out, curl your index fingers and thumbs so they touch at the base, hands on thigh. Breathe in and focus on your abdomen. Don't control your breathing. In the Satipatthana Sutta, Buddha specifically says that we must begin with mindful breathing before continuing. Thich Nhat Hanh calls the breath an anchor. When we focus on the breath, we stop ourselves from daydreaming and we calm the monkey mind. Focus on the rise and fall of your abdomen. Become aware of the entire breathing process. Take 25 relaxing mindful breaths in this way. Feel the sensations arising in your abdomen. We usually experience our breathing as a process of 3 steps. We breathe in, pause, and then breathe out. But the process is one, and so should be the focus. Don't think in terms of in-breath, out-breath. Be mindful of the entire process as one movement. At the same time, don't force your mind. The focus should be natural and relaxed. If your attention wanders, offer your mind support. You can do this by saying to yourself, "My breath is rising. Rising." Pausing. And now falling. Describing the movement of your breath in this way will help you to maintain focus. If your mind creates thoughts, simply tell yourself, "I am thinking," and concentrate on breathing. If your mind strays, don't judge yourself. Don't say, "I'm not focusing enough." Remember, it's all about self-love. Though we try, it is impossible to maintain focus 100% of the time. Even the most advanced meditators experience moments when the mind strays. Simply guide the mind back to the rising and falling of your abdomen. There will be occasions when a specific noise draws your awareness. For instance, if you are sitting at home when the doorbell rings, your mind will immediately jump at the sound. This is one example of an intrusive event. This intrusive event lures the mind. We quickly lose focus, and instead of focusing on breathing, we pay attention to the event. I always remind myself that such momentary distractions are normal. When this happens, mindfully observe the event and label it as a sensation. For instance, if you hear a doorbell, mindfully observe the sound and label it sound. This helps your mind to recognize the nature of external stimuli. Having observed and labeled the event, return your focus to your breathing. At times you will also notice sensations that occur in the body. Perhaps you feel an itch in your legs or tingling at the back of your neck. Label these sensations by describing the way the sensation feels. If you feel a warm air moving over your wrist, for instance, mindfully observe that sensation and say, "Warm movement." Label mental phenomena like thoughts and imaginings. For instance, if you see an image in your mind, label it mental image. Describe the precise reality of what you perceive. If you imagine hearing a sound, say imagine sound, and so on. This is really helpful. Many of us get deceived by the mind. We come to think that the things we see and hear in the mind are real. Just by saying mental image or imagine sound, you train your mind to understand the true nature of mental phenomena. When you finish Vipassana, open your eyes gently. Tell yourself opening, opening. Then, when you begin to choose what to do next, say intending, intending. Then slowly and mindfully go about your day. You can continue to practice Vipassana at home for the whole day. This doesn't mean that you have to literally continue meditating for the whole day. Rather, when going about your day, be mindful of what is going on. Do one thing at a time. When thoughts enter your mind, label them like we did above. This helps to cultivate insight and mindfulness in your everyday life. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it.